Hi, and welcome to the video training of JavaScript. In today's video training, we will be learning about double equal and triple equal comparison operators in JavaScript. The double equal or not equal to operator performs an automatic type conversion if needed. The triple equal or not double equal operator will not perform any conversion at all. It compares the value and the type, which could be considered faster than double equal. So if you look at the examples given below and you try those in your browser, you will see that the result is quite different in different situations. So if I go to my browser, Chrome, and if I open it, the developer tools here, and go to console tab and just paste them here, you will see the result. The last line I have, this one have I think syntax error, exception. Okay, I think these needed to be run one by one. Okay, let's try now. So this returns false because we have triple equal and they are not equal considered. But if we compare square bracket 10 with digit 10, we get true. So this is the main difference between double equal operator and triple equal operator. The double equal operator is typecasting, and typecasting takes time and processing power if you have a complex application and you want to apply optimized memory management. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel TechWeber. It's TechWeber S at the end if you want to go to directly the channel URL. You can also contact me if you need any help. Thanks very much.